What is subluxation in chiropractic adjustments for osteoarthritis? Have you ever wondered how a small misalignment in your body can lead to bigger problems? In the world of chiropractic care, this concept is known as subluxation. A subluxation refers to a functional misalignment or restricted movement of a joint, especially in the spine. This misalignment can affect the surrounding muscles, bones, and nerves, causing discomfort and dysfunction. Unlike a medical subluxation, which involves a partial dislocation with structural damage, a chiropractic subluxation is more subtle. It does not involve a complete dislocation, but can still interfere with nerve signals and joint mechanics. This is particularly relevant for individuals with osteoarthritis, a condition characterized by the breakdown of cartilage in the joints, leading to inflammation and pain. As osteoarthritis progresses, the affected joints may lose their normal alignment and mobility. This can lead to increased stiffness, nerve irritation, and muscle tension around the arthritic joint. When these subluxations occur, they can worsen the symptoms of osteoarthritis, making daily activities more challenging. Chiropractic adjustments aim to identify and correct these subluxations. By manually restoring proper joint alignment and motion, chiropractic care can help reduce nerve pressure and improve joint function. This process can potentially alleviate pain and stiffness associated with osteoarthritis. In practice, chiropractic care for osteoarthritis may involve several steps. First, a chiropractor will assess joint mobility and alignment to detect any subluxations in the spine or other joints affected by osteoarthritis. Once identified, specific manual adjustments are applied to restore normal joint movement and reduce any abnormal positioning. Chiropractors often complement these adjustments with exercises and therapies designed to strengthen the muscles around the joint and improve flexibility. This holistic approach can help manage inflammation and discomfort, providing additional support alongside chiropractic care. In essence, subluxation in chiropractic adjustments for osteoarthritis refers to the subtle misalignments that can exacerbate symptoms. Chiropractic treatment focuses on correcting these dysfunctions to support joint health, reduce nerve interference, and improve overall comfort and mobility. By addressing these issues, individuals with osteoarthritis may find relief and enhance their quality of life.